bread machine is like an easy bake oven for adults with a singular function. It turns out a freshly baked loaf of bread for the low labor cost of simply assembling ingredients. There are many products available to choose BreadMaker, each product with different benefits, features and prices. To help you make an accurate decision, I've done much research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best BreadMaker from reputable brands. After a lot of research, I found these products for people like you. If you need to know about the price and other information, don't forget to check my descriptions. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Hamilton Beach BreadMaker. Become a master at made from scratch bread with minimal effort. The Hamilton Beach Home Baker 2LB BreadMaker machine lets you create fresh homemade breads and doughs without even having to roll up your sleeves to mix and knead. Just add the ingredients, select the cycle, and press start. With 12 program settings for a variety of breads and doughs, you can make everything from healthy whole grain and gluten-free options to sweet gooey cinnamon raisin buns. Customize your bread down to the size and shade with 2 loaf sizes and 3 crust shades. Make dough, bake cake, or make delicious mouth-watering loaves of fresh baked bread. Cycles include basic French, gluten-free, quick bread, no yeast, sweet, 1.5 pounds express, 2 pounds express, dough, jam, cake, whole grain and bake. Number 2. Cuisinart BreadMaker. Everybody loves homemade bread, but not everybody has time to make it. Let Cuisinart do it for you. Our versatile and compact automatic bread maker offers a variety of crust colors and loaf sizes, as well as 12 pre-programmed menu options. Foolproof recipes include everything from gluten-free and artisan breads to jams and sauces. With a convenient 13-hour delay start timer, that wonderful aroma of just baked bread can be waiting for you when you wake up. Features. Compact vertical bread maker with stainless steel exterior, 12 pre-programmed menu options, fully automatic, easy to use, 3 crust shades, light, medium or dark. Bakes up to a 2-pound loaf, viewing window to monitor the process. Removable kneading paddle and bread pan. Interior light to check bread as it bakes. Easy to read LED display, bake only option, 13-hour delay start, fresh bread anytime. Power failure backup, BPA for a limited 3-year warranty. Number 3. Oster Express Baked BreadMaker. Wake up to the aroma of freshly baked bread with the Oster Express Baked Bread Machine. Designed to make up to a 2-pound family-sized loaf, this bread maker comes with its own tested recipes for ultimate perfection. The bread machine features multiple settings that offer ideal baking versatility, and a delay bake timer that lets you set the baking time up to 13 hours in advance. An express bake cycle bakes delicious bread in under an hour. A large LCD display allows you to easily navigate the settings, and a clear window on the top lets you peek inside to see the bread as it bakes. For added convenience, this bread maker comes with a measuring cup, a spoon, and a kneading paddle. The sleek design with white ivory finish effortlessly matches any kitchen decor, making the Oster Express Baked Bread Machine a great housewarming or wedding gift. Number 4. Zagoroshi BBPDC 20BA Home Bakery Virtuoso Plus BreadMaker. A revolutionary heating element built into our Home Bakery Virtuoso BreadMaker changes the way you can bake bread at home. With perfectly browned crust every time, anyone can be a master baker. For a basic bread recipe, simply add in measured ingredients, close the lid, make a selection from the user-friendly LCD control panel, and the Home Bakery Supreme takes care of the rest, baking up a rectangular-shaped 2-pound loaf of bread to perfection. Choose from 3 crust shades, light, medium, or dark, and from various healthy course settings, such as multigrain, whole wheat, rapid whole wheat, gluten-free, salt-free, and vegan. Best of all, the machine's timer can be set to delay the end of the baking cycle by up to 13 hours, which makes it possible to wake up to the smell of freshly baked, homemade bread in the morning, or to come home to a warm loaf at the end of a long day at the office. The bread maker provides 2 blades for thorough dough kneading and a higher rise, a large viewing window, an on indicator light, a start reset button, and a removable non-stick bread pan for easy cleaning. Accessories include a liquid measuring cup, nested measuring cups, and a measuring spoon. Instruction manual and recipe book also included. Number 5. West Bend High-Rise BreadMaker Programmable. From the company that pioneered the concept of automating fresh baked bread at home, West Bend bread makers are perfect for novice or accomplished breadsmiths. Choose your favorite recipe, add the ingredients to the non-stick bread pan, and let the bread maker do all the work. Delicious, warm bread with none of the work. 12 programmable settings, including gluten-free and customizable loaf sizes and crust colors, allow you to bake bread your way. Dual knead blades provide thorough dough kneading for a lighter taste and higher rise. Custom setting is perfect for the baker who is already familiar with BreadMaker baking. Fully customize your settings for the perfect loaf of bread. 3-level crust control, light, medium, and dark. Instruction manual includes many delicious recipes, including garlic bread, wheat bread, bagel and pasta dough, even low-carb and gluten-free. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos regularly, so do subscribe my channel. You can check the description for more details or price about these products. For any kind of problem or complaint, you can comment us. Please stay updated with our channel, as it will make your life much more easier and enjoyable. Thanks for watching.